All right, so went ahead and got the headlight harness on this guy, and they're all ran up to boop, the headlight there. Our fan, where's that guy? Right here. Fans right there. The other two plugs go right there. I need to tape all that up so it looks kind of nice, but all that's ran. Other headlights right here. All of it's ran, and then it plugs back up in right where it needs to plug in right here. So that's what we first started today. That's where we begun, you know, and then we're gonna finish up with that K series. I already torqued the head down. It's 28 foot-pounds, and then it's two 90-degree turns, so I've already done that this morning as well. And then we're just gonna go ahead and finish buttoning it all up and get it slammed back in there. So heck yeah. Oh man, so we got the motor all ready to go back in. Just got to center it up, and then we'll lower it down as far as we can and hoist it back up in there, because we can't get the jack underneath it once it's already all down. So gonna go ahead and just bust this noise out. So we got the engine hoist all pulled out. The subframe's all bolted up. I just dropped a 10, but that's all right. The subframe's all bolted up. Now we're just gonna go ahead and slide these engine mounts in here. Not gonna be too bad. Just gotta get this guy up and over there. Go up a little bit more, it looks like. Nice size. Yeah, there we go. I'll need the little 17 for that, and then
Alright. A little long. I think it might be this one that we put in there. It's a little long. You want to come down? Not too much. Straight up. No? Two 14s? The 17 I left on my table, I can move it. There we go. I don't know about that one. It might be too long. It's short though. Why did this bar get in the way I was doing?
we'll lower her down. See, now it's in there on its own. Nothing on there. No jack underneath it. Pretty awesome. Just got to button up all the little bits. Put the boost pipes back on, fix that one, AC, all that goodies. Electronics, we do got to hook the shift cables and the wire harness all back up. Heater hoses and the brake booster. That's about it. It's not too bad. Pretty simple stuff. Just an engine swap, right? Oh yeah. Well, thank y'all for coming along with us. We had a great time today. Only spilled a little bit, dropped your phone 14 times. Wasn't too bad. So, I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe down below. This is GoofyBuilt. Peace out.